Hey bag lovers, welcome to Armcandy. If you're new here, hi, I'm Tamara. I'm going to talk you through this epic, beautiful Chanel bag that's just dropped live onto our website, armcandybagco.com. There is a link to that in the comments below, but before you go, I'm going to just talk you through the features and the condition of this bag. It's just, oh, it's beautiful, I love it. So it's a Chanel classic double flap, size medium, in black lambskin. It feels so soft and beautiful, honestly. Oh, it's just gorgeous. I love it. It's, of course, got the leather and chain straps, which you can have longer length or obviously pull up and have at the halfway mark. The exact measurements are on the website, but I'll put it on to give you an idea. I am 5'4" and a UK size 10 feels beautiful on. It really does feel nice. So yeah, 5'4", UK size 10. It would look like that if you were having it on the longer setting. I like a crossbody, so that's where it would sit as a crossbody. This is super cool. This is a blazer, good to go. Just gorgeous. Okay, so let's show you some closer up features. We've got the little pocket on the back, just here, little flat pocket. And then, of course, it is a flap closure, with it being a double flap bag. The double C's on the front, twist lock, open that up. And first of all, so that you're getting that, first of all, you've got the little sneaker pocket just there, and we've got the EP zip pull with the little leather tag there. And you've got the first sort of section, the first pocket is in there. Then you've got a press stud pocket just here with Chanel Paris on the stud. Your double C's are there, and you can see Chanel is there. So the burgundy liner, I'm going to just tilt it so it gets the light in it. You've got the two little flat pockets, the little pocket there, and the main section of the bag there. The serial sticker is in this main section, and it's right in this front bottom corner just here. I don't think I can angle that with lighting so that you can see it, but there is a photograph of that on the website, so you'll be able to see that on the website. And then you've got the front pocket here as well. So plenty of sections to organise yourself. We've called the bag, condition-wise, worn throughout. So I'm going to just come in a little bit closer so that you can really see the condition. So you can see it's got wear to the bottom corners. Okay, and you can see that it's got some wear on the back pocket. There we go, if I hold that still, can you see all these little signs of wear on the fabric there? And on the front here. There we go, can you see there's some wearing on the corner? And the same again on this side here. Okay, just quickly show you the base. Again, inside we've said is worn. You can just see some signs of wear across there. And if we open up, you can see here signs of wear. It's obviously got the crinkling in the leather, that's going to happen anyway. But you can see there, again inside, it's not bad. You can just see that somebody has used it from inside as well. And the hardware we've also called worn. Now, to be honest, the C's are in amazing condition. And again, and the receiving part is also in fantastic condition. The reason we've called it worn is the strap here. Okay, so that's going to need a little bit of attention. They are stitched, it's not going to come undue and unthread itself, it is safe and secure, but you might want to just get that seen to and fastened in nicely and prettily. The the good thing about this actually is it's quite good because you can see, so you know with an authentic Chanel bag, this leather that weaves through is triple folded. Fakes tend to be just folded in half and stitched on one side. And with this, you can see, so if I show you that side, you can see that there's just the fold. But on that side, ooh, I don't know if you can see that there's the folds and then it's got the stitch. So because it needs a little bit of attention, you can see that it is triple folded. It's not showing very well in the video actually. It's not as clear as I would have liked it to be. But you can see that it's triple folded, which is quite a nice little thing to be able to show you, had it been clear on the video. But there you go. But yeah, so that might need just a little bit of attention. And so for that reason, we've called the hardware worn. But the bits that you see, the bits that really matter, are in very good condition. So I think you'll agree. This is uber cool, and if you don't yet have one of these in your bag closet, then this could be your chance. It isn't going to be around for very long, so if you are interested in this, you need to act quickly. Before you go and check it out, please hit the bell. If you are a bag lover, hit the bell because you want to know what else is coming up, trust me. So hit the bell, and then go and check this out on our website. There is a link direct to this. If you go to my comments below this video, there's a link, it will take you to this, you can check it out. You'll also be able to see all of the other pre-owned luxury bags that you can see behind me, they're all on there. And remember to sign up to the newsletter whilst you're there, and then we will send you a discount code that you can use on your first purchase with Armcandy. It's really easy to do. If you scroll to the bottom of any page on the website, there's a little box. You pop your email address in there and then we will immediately send you your discount code that you can enter at the checkout. If you don't get it immediately, so if you don't get it within 60 seconds, check your spam folder. It may have ended up in there for you. But yeah, for the sake of 20 seconds and get yourself your discount code. But yeah, an absolute classic. I mean, it's just beautiful, isn't it? And it just feels nice on. So hit the bell. Click the link and then we'll see you back here for our next piece of Armcandy.